when you have your tools, having the right tool makes a big difference, because if you don't use the right tool, you can damage something or takes you longer, you don't do the right job. Like Mr. Scotty said to Mr. Spock, the right tool for the right job, Mr. Scott. Previously we were here and the unit was low on refrigerant. These are sealed systems, just like your refrigerator. You never have to put liquid inside. The liquid is called refrigerant. When you have a leak, that means there is a weak spot somewhere where the refrigerant was lost.